In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate your eBay store with your Wix website using the Wix app Market. This integration will allow you to manage your online presence more efficiently and extend your reach across platforms, ultimately enhancing your business operations. Let's dive right into it. First, you need to access the Wix app Market, a versatile platform that provides a wide array of applications to enhance your website's functionality. To do this, log into your Wix account and navigate to your site's dashboard. From there, locate the app's icon in your site management tools. Click on it to open the Wix app Market. You'll notice the market is filled with a wide range of options, from tools that help with SEO to those that specialize in e-commerce and everything in between. Now, in the search bar at the top, type in eBay integration apps. This search will bring up a selection of available applications that can link your Wix site to your eBay account. Take a moment to browse the options and click through a few for more detailed descriptions and ratings from other users. This will give you a sense of which application best suits your needs. Once you've chosen the app that aligns with your requirements, click the Add button to begin the installation process. After adding the app, the next crucial step is to connect your eBay account. To make this connection, follow the app-specific instructions. Generally, this involves providing your eBay account credentials to authorize access. Rest assured that this process is secured by both Wix and eBay to keep your information safe. Once you've authorized the connection, the application will obtain access to your eBay listings, allowing for a seamless integration. With your eBay account now linked, it's time to sync your products. Synchronizing your products ensures that your eBay listings are accurately reflected on your Wix site, maintaining consistency across platforms. Depending on the app, you may find settings to control which items to sync or to automate future synchronizations. I recommend enabling automatic synchronization if available to save time and continue streamlining your process. And there you have it. By integrating your eBay store with your Wix website, you have successfully expanded your online retail capabilities. This setup not only improves your management efficiency by consolidating platforms, but can also enhance your potential for sales growth by reaching a broader audience. Remember, the key to a successful integration is to ensure the settings align with your business needs and continuously monitor the synchronization process for accurate inventory and listings. Thank you for joining me in today's guide. Now, go ahead and explore the new potential of your integrated platforms. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content. Happy selling!